welcome back to Midlife. I'm doing an upgrade. I've been thinking about doing this for ages, swapping out these lights with the Union Jack lights. Got them in this box right here. Look at that. Hey, look at that beauty. The model of these lights is VLAND. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. The other thing I'm going to need is this little adapter cable, because this car is a 2010 model and it needs to have that for them to work, apparently. To do this job, I'm going to need this, which is a trim removal tool, a Torx bit, which I'll put in the description below. The trim removal tool is to remove this chrome strip, which reveals the screws. We can then take out the screws to take out that light and fit the new one. Ah, yes! Hey! So I'm going to use this trim removal tool to gently remove this chrome strip, which is easier said than done. Whoops, a little bit of damage, but not excessive. Then we're going to use our Torx bit and remove 3 screws. Then using the entry in the back of the boot, which is a bit of a mess in here, so you probably don't want to look at that. There's a little catch. Which you should. Not the easiest jobs, admittedly. Okay, the next thing is to take out the old light, which we shall do there, and bring out the new one. Now again, because it's a 2010 model, I need to put that adapter on, so I'm simply going to disconnect that and connect that on, and then to the other end. And then there's this switch here, which we have to set to 0, apparently, for it to work. So, next thing is just connect it up. At this point, I'm just going to turn the ignition on and make sure the lights are doing what they're meant to be doing. And I'm going to need my cameraman's help here a little bit, because he's going to tell me whether the reverse light works or not. Anything?
Red one.
A little bit of a dilemma, because the reversing lights are meant to be white, whereas these are red. Might just have to get some advice on that. Anyway, let's get it screwed on. Job done. Clip it back into place. And there we have it. VLAND LED Union Jack conversion lights. What do you think? Do you like them? I think they're all right. What do you think?
They're not white.
At least the indicators are orange. Don't reverse. Simple answer. So there is a little switch on the back of the lights which if you toggle it, instead of the reverse lights being red, they become amber. So that might be a little bit better. Don't forget, if you are in the market for these lights, there is a link in the description below. It is an affiliated link, meaning I do earn a little bit of commission by it. But hey, buy at your own risk. I don't know if this will pass an MOT with those reverse lights. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.